Dear friends, do you know how to work with the WhatsApp in the computer? Due to coronavirus pandemic, most of us are working from home. Most of the time, in addition to the emails, we get messages from all over the places to our WhatsApp. So using WhatsApp in the mobile is little bit difficult. And also opening files and reading those contents through a mobile is little more difficult. There's a solution to this. Let's see what can we do. In the Google, type WhatsApp like this. Then click. It will take you to this site. Open WhatsApp web. Then it will go to this page. Then after that, in your mobile, close all the files. Please ensure to close all the files in your mobile. Then this screen will appear in your computer. Go to menu. Here there are 3 dots. Click that or click settings and select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to the screen to capture the code. That means use your phone to scan the QR code on your computer or portal. If prompted, tap or select done. If you want to log out of WhatsApp from your computer or desktop, open WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop like this, the same way. The menu will appear. Then from there you can select logout. So using WhatsApp in the computer saves a lot of time. You can cut and paste the message sent. Can take printouts in a second. Not to worry about the security. When you are not using the computer, log out from WhatsApp in the computer. So the problem solved. Why don't you use this and try? Thank you for watching my channel. Please put a like and share this video with your friends, and at the same time do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.